Good morning, students and parents. Welcome to Summer School Health Independent Study. You'll need to get started by accessing your student email. So on your schedule that you picked up, you have a student ID number. Your email address will be your ID number at students.abhsd.org. And then your password will be your first and last initial lowercase with your ID number following it. It will ask you to change your password. Please make sure you write it down someplace, put a picture in your phone, something where you'll remember it. This will be important for the entire school year. Once you've accessed your email, you are going to go to your Gmail here. So you'll be in and then go to your Gmail. I've sent you an invite to the Google Classroom for health. You are going to be taking 2 periods of health. The first period is for semester 1 and the second period is for semester 2. So you'll accept the invites to the class. If you have any issues with that, make sure that you email us and we can get those cleared up quickly. And then once you've gone there, you can find Classroom by going on your waffle and clicking here. So as I said, you're going to have 2 periods. Session 1 is for semester 1, that's 5 credits, and session 2 is for semester 2, and that's 5 credits as well. So you'll need to be completing both at the same time. Our class is going to be done mostly on Edmentum, and so you'll have access to Edmentum by clicking here. So I have the instructions for how you're going to be completing the work. So you'll click on Edmentum, and when you get here, you're going to log in, and you'll log in with Google. So the same Google credentials, which I had given you here. So your ID number at students.abhsd.org, your first to last initial, and your ID number as well. And then you'll be able to see your coursework. So this is what the curriculum looks like for Edmentum. There's a little student orientation that should help you with the navigation, and you're just going to start working your way through. And you'll see that we gave you some target dates for completion so that you can complete the course on time. All of the work needs to be completed by the last day of summer school at 1 p.m., which is 7/26. And so if you follow along with these dates, you should be good to go. You can complete this early though. So we've had students complete the work very early. The key to that is if you do really well on the pretest, it knocks out all of the things that you're already knowledgeable about. And so take your time. You can use your resources. It's okay to use Google and other sources for research as you're completing these tests. And as I said, it'll knock down the amount of time that you have to spend on the course. This curriculum is covering both semesters 1 and semesters 2. So as you're working through, we'll be giving you grades based on your scores here. If you feel like you got a low score and you would like to retry, you can reach out to us and we can reset activities for you. The other thing that you have to do in addition to completing the curriculum there is we have to have work samples. And so you'll see that we've posted work samples every week. So we need 1 work sample per week per class. So for example, your first due date is going to be Wednesday, and by Wednesday, you're going to need to give us a work sample for session 1 and for session 2. So here's the assignment for session 1, week 1, and you can see that's here. And so the example of what the student submission would look like is this. So I need you to put your full first and last name here at the top. And then you're going to take 3 to 5 screenshots of questions that you completed through Edmentum, and you'll be pasting them on the document. The screenshots have to show the question and your answer, and so here's an example of what something might look like from Edmentum. So it might be a test question where you've put your question and the answer. It could be a short answer where you're filling it out like this, but we need 3 different screenshots that you've done during the week. There is a 4 and 5, but those are optional. All right, and then you'll be submitting that. And just a reminder, because it can get a little bit confusing, you have 2 different sessions that you're going to be doing. So you have period 1. So we need that for period 1, and then we also need it for period 2 by Wednesday. So 2 submissions per week, in addition to the curriculum that you're working on Edmentum. That's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email and we'll get you started. There's a few of you who were having issues getting into Edmentum. So if you click on it and you're not getting in, definitely respond by email, and we're currently working with IT to get those last few students into Edmentum. Thank you. Have a good day.